let's get started with the activity. Here I have these Ziploc pouches which you get in a normal store. You can go and buy these, and you need these earbuds which are readily available at home. We need a sellotape, and I have used this shaving foam, and we'll be needing scissor and a table or a slate if you have of your child. What you can do is, over here you fill this Ziploc packet with this shaving foam, spread it nicely like this and stick it on the table like with sellotape on 3 sides. I have kept one side open so it's easily removable. For this I will be using this earbud. Even the child can use the finger as well. So let's get started and let's make some letters. Which letter is this? This is letter A. A says A. Now tap 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 tap. We'll see a magic now. The letter disappeared. Let's make the next letter. We will make letter B. B says B. Tap 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 again and the letter disappears. What shape is this? This is circle. This is circle. Let's make a square. So we have a square here. I hope you all like today's activity, and do let me know in the comment section whether your children are writing it or not, and are they enjoying it or not. So don't forget to share my channel and subscribe it. See you all next time everyone. Thank you so much for watching.